In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix freezing or slowness issues that you might be experiencing with your chart page. Let's dive into a few simple solutions that can get you back on track and running smoothly. First, let's talk about reloading your chart page. Sometimes your page may just need a quick refresh to clear out temporary glitches or lag. All you need to do is locate the refresh button in your browser's toolbar. It usually looks like a circular arrow, and give it a click. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key or Command R on a Mac. This process stops the current page loading and starts it anew, often fixing minor issues almost instantly. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart your browser. This helps to free up system resources that might be bogging down your performance. To do this, close your browser completely, ensuring it's not running in the background, then open it again. Restarting your browser can help reset any memory leaks or buildups of cache data that might be affecting speed. Another effective solution is to close additional tabs, keeping only your chart open. Many open tabs can be draining on your system's resources, leading to slowdowns. Take a moment to scan through your open tabs and close the ones you aren't actively using. This can significantly enhance your browser's performance and prevent freezing on your chart page once you've honed in on just what you need. If you continue to experience issues, consider removing added extensions in your browser. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but some may inadvertently slow down your browser due to their background activities. To manage your extensions, head to your browser's settings or tool menu, look for the section labeled Extensions or Add-ons, and review the list. Disable or remove extensions that you don't use regularly or those that you suspect might be causing issues. Not only could this improve your chart experience, but it might also speed up your overall browsing. Lastly, if none of the above solutions work, try using another browser. Different browsers can have different performance capabilities and user interfaces, and occasionally switching to another one can solve performance issues. If you're using a browser like Chrome, consider Firefox, Edge, or others as they might interact differently with your chart. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in performance and responsiveness. Remember, freezing and slowness are often related to browser capabilities and resource demand, so managing these elements effectively is key. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.